Welcome. In this guide, we will show you how to fix battery draining issues while playing Pokemon Go. Let's get started. First, enable battery saver mode in Pokemon Go. Open the app, then tap on the Pokeball icon. Then go to settings, scroll down and check the box for battery saver mode. Next, reduce your device screen brightness. Swipe down from the top of your screen and adjust the brightness slider to a lower level. A dimmer screen uses less power while playing. You can also enable your phone's power saving mode. On Android, go to settings, then power saving mode and turn it on. For iOS, go to settings, then battery and enable low power mode. Disable unnecessary features when they are not needed. For example, if you are outdoors and using mobile data, turn off Wi-Fi to conserve power. Another helpful tip is to close background apps. Open your recent apps menu and swipe away apps you are not using. This prevents them from draining battery while you play. Use an external power bank if you are planning a long Pokemon Go session. This ensures you will not run out of battery when exploring for Pokemon. Lastly, keep the Pokemon Go app updated. Developers frequently release optimizations to improve battery efficiency. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for updates and install them if available. And don't forget to update your phone software as well. Manufacturers often include battery optimizations in system updates, so keeping your device current can help. With these tips, you should notice a significant improvement in your phone's battery life while playing Pokemon Go. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe for more quick tips.